So what you see me doing right here is I'm forging a blade out of a piece of 5160. It's a leaf spring off of a F250 or 350. I don't remember. Besides the point, it's a little build I'm trying to do. I was gonna try to do one upload every week, but that's just not gonna be possible with my work schedule. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave me a like, follow, subscribe, comment. Anything you can do helps the algorithm out. I'm trying to grow the channel, guys. I'm gonna do my best to do one upload every 2 weeks from now. But like I said, it's been full-time law enforcement. It can be a little difficult to follow a set schedule for YouTube. You never know when you're gonna get called in, this, that, and another. But appreciate it, guys. This right here is gonna be the last heat for a minute. I gotta run and get some propane. The force is trickling out. Barely has any left. So, yeah, just spit this butter in now. So what we've been doing the past couple minutes is I'm just trying to isolate the material I want to use for the tang. And after we get that settled out, we're going to go work on the blades some more. We're going to swap back and forth a couple times in the video. But I normally don't forge leaf spring. I have in the past. But I was just getting refamiliarized with this piece. This isn't a custom order or anything. It's just something I want to do for a video. Let me know what y'all think about it. Alright, so what I'm supposed to do here in just a sec is, while I was forging it, the tip, how I was wanting it to go, it just wasn't taking that shape. So I decided to hot cut a new tip in. It works. So lost a little bit of my steel, but it works in the end. Effective way to go about it.
go straight. What I'm gonna do tomorrow, there's some unevenness in the forging, but that's not gonna get taken out by doing that. What we're gonna do is we're going to stick this in the anvil for now, and turn the anvil off. That's sitting there, get nice and softened up overnight. And I'll speardize it too while it's in there, just soaking up that heat. Oh, it's a hot day for January 1st. I started making this video over a week ago. It just got busy and ain't finished it till now. I'm gonna try to start doing better on the uploads. I got busy with work. As I said, I'm a deputy. I had to get a bunch of training done, so didn't really have the option to come out here over the past week. But yeah, it ought to be good in a couple more days. Be finished. Hopefully y'all can watch it and enjoy watching. Be safe, y'all.